So in this video, we're going to look at how to get the equation of a tangent. And using derivatives, we're going to anchor ourselves back to this original formula. And this is really our safety net getting us through the section of calculus. And so step one, I always find it's helpful to sub x into the original graph to get a point. So don't wait till you're partway into the question to sub in x equals 2. Rather sub it in immediately. So I've subbed 2 into the equation and it spat out -8, which is the y value. And so I can just leave that on the side throughout the question. Second thing to do is to sub x into the derivative to get the gradient. And so the actual doing of the derivative is quite simple. So just timesing the power by the front coefficient and dropping the power by 1. Timesing the power, which is 1, by the front and dropping it by 1. And then we know with derivatives the constant term will just fall away. So here you have the derivative, and here people sometimes get stuck as well and panic in the middle of an exam. Anytime you want, once you've done the derivative, to just look a little bit nicer and more appealing and usable, what you can do is you just sub in the x value where the party is happening at. So you sub in 2 into x, and the minute that you do that, it just becomes a lovely gradient, an actual number. It's just coincidental that it's also 2. Don't get too excited and hung up on that. But just remember that once I've done the derivative, if it ever looks a little bit big and ugly and clumsy, you can just sub the x value where that's happening. Now that I've got the gradient is 2, I've really broken the back of the beast, and now it's pretty straightforward, simple. The gradient of the tangent, y equals mx plus c, is 2. And any time that I need a missing letter in graphs, remember, you're never missing x and y. Those are always part of every graph equation. So anytime I'm missing one letter, I look and sub in 1 point. And because I got that earlier, it's just there waiting for me. I sub it in for x and y. I'm good to go. And I am a legend by the end of it. If you found this video helpful, please share it with any friends that have got tests and exams coming up. Like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.